In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gusto Wallet as an employee. To get started, sign in to your Gusto employee account. Make sure you're using the correct employee login so you can access your personal payroll and wallet features. Once you're signed in, take a moment to confirm that your dashboard has fully loaded before moving on. This helps make the setup process smoother and ensures all account options are visible. Next, head over to the Wallet section. This is where you'll manage the financial tools connected to your employee account. Depending on your screen, the Wallet page may appear in the main navigation menu or within your account options. Open that page and let it load completely so you can see all the available tools. Once you're in Wallet, look for the Additional Tools area and click Manage Bank Accounts. This section is where you can connect external payment methods that work with your Gusto wallet. It's also the place where you'll later review or update the accounts you've added. From there, choose the option to link a non-Gusto account. This allows you to connect a bank account that you already use outside of Gusto. After selecting it, follow the prompts to begin the connection process. Now, enter your bank information carefully. You'll be asked to provide the requested account details to complete the link. Take your time here and double-check everything before submitting, because even a small mistake can delay the setup. Once the information is entered correctly, complete the linking process and wait for confirmation that the account has been added. If you want the option for instant transfers, you can also add a debit card. To do that, click Add a debit card and enter the requested card information. This step is optional, so if you only want to use a bank account, you can skip it. But if speed and convenience matter to you, adding a debit card can be helpful. After that, review your connected accounts. In the Manage Bank Accounts section, make sure your linked bank account or debit card appears correctly. This is an important final check because it confirms that the connection was successful and that your payment methods are available for use. Finally, return to the Wallet page and confirm that your account setup is complete. Once everything looks right, you're all set to use Gusto Wallet with your connected account information. Thanks for watching.